this is the season for fish and chips as well. We are making the best fish and chips recipe right now. We will start with the lemon. Okay, so grab your fillets. So I have 4 fillets right now. So this recipe actually goes to any kind of fish fillet you guys want to make. So here is the one big guy, goes right here. This is the second one. So I have my oil at 350 degree. It's a quick recipe. All right, so 1 and 2. So I have 4 fillets right now. First thing first, guys, get half of the lemon, squeeze the lemon right on top of it. If you feel uncomfortable that we didn't wash the fish, you can definitely go ahead and wash it. But I'm 100% sure it's cleaned. Garlic powder. We will add half tablespoon of garlic powder right on top of the fish. Get some sea salt. We'll add half tablespoon of sea salt. Imagine how it's gonna taste. Fish should be cooked in a sea salt. Okay. The sea salt goes right there. Just flip it so they get the seasoning distributed. So easy, right? Move this on the side. In the next pan, get gram flour, add some gram flour. So right now we will make a batter. So the best batter for the fish and chips is to use the gram flour. We just need I would say 2 cups, the baking cups of the gram flour. Add some sea salt, half tablespoon. So 1 whole spoon of paprika. Put half tablespoon of garlic powder. It has to be a little bit garlicky. So this is minced dried onion. Add at least 1 tablespoon of onion. Add some water. So we'll whisk it. We don't have to make this quantity too thick or too light. So we have to meet it right in the middle. So we will add a little bit more water. If we make it too thin, you know what's gonna happen? It's not gonna stick on the fish. If you make it too thick, it's gonna be too, heavy. It's gonna be on the heavy side. Just make sure there should be no lumps in there. At this time, you can see there are lumps. You have to make sure it's a fine paste. Okay, a lot of whisking is going on. So at this time, guys, check your batter for the salt and the flavors. I'll add a little more salt because it's gonna give a nice kick to it. Let's grab our fillet. Give it a dip, just like this. Just like this. Just a rough coating. Okay. Alright, so one guy is done. You will land this right here. Another one. Just a rough coat. And here goes the other guy. We will cook this at 350 degrees. We're gonna cook this at least for 15 to 20 minutes right now at 350 degrees. Here we will work on our potato. So you have to cut the potatoes a little bit big, just like as a veggie. So these are potato veggies, you can say, or chips. A little bit thick and big and organic. Wow. I'll put this in the next pan, add some oil, on top of the fries, add some sea salt right on top of it. Put this on the stove and just fry this until they are done. So it's been 10 minutes. You just want to make sure everything is okay here. Okay. Give it a flip. Okay, perfect. We will cook this now on this side at least for another 5-6 minutes. Let's make a sauce with that. The perfect sauce. Get yourself any hot sauce. I'm using Nando Peri Peri. We'll add half of the Nando's Peri Peri or any hot sauce, half of the regular ketchup. Give it a mix. So this is sweet and spicy all at once going on. So add some chili flakes and add white distilled vinegar. Our whole fish and chips recipe is about to get ready. Stay tuned for that. And add some mayo or mayo chop, whatever you prefer. They go all very well together with the fish. Okay, let's take out our fish. I'm sure it's done. It looks roasted, it looks cooked, deep fried. And just land it right here. Okay. And here's the other one. It's all perfectly done right here. 2 big fillets of the fish. Check this. They are all cooked. Let it settle at least for 5 minutes or more. And in the meantime, I'll take out our fries. Right, so our potato fries goes right there. I like my fries to be a little extra cooked. So I'm chopping a little bit green chilies on top of the fries. Here you go, guys. Our beautiful fish and chips recipe, homemade, is right here. Alright guys, moment of truth, okay? Here goes. Check this. It's fully cooked, super soft. It has a batter right on top of it. Oh my god, it's just hot. It's like super hot. The first bite. Wow. Do try this batter, this recipe, these ingredients, and get your fish and chips right. Okay, dip. I need some hot sauce with that. Who don't like, the fish? It's so hot, my eyes are getting watery. Okay, let me get some vinegar. Oh yeah. Some of the lemon. Delicious. Potato. Yummy. A perfect combo, guys. Do try this recipe. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you on the next one with very easy, simple, and delicious recipe. It's so hot, my mouth is still burning. Not like spicy wise, but like hot. I had the hot food in my mouth. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.